Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. The most important tool to reach 99th percentile, and you're ignorant of it and you're ignoring it. And so, what is this? Quite simply mocks, nothing else. We at 2IM are releasing a series of videos to kind of handhold you through the journey of the first few mocks. Only one batch section, should the whole mock go down with it. Anybody who's cracked cat, anybody who's been your senior, who's done this last year, year before last, he or she will tell you there were a couple of mocks where I took one section and then I just wanted to dump it. Many will tell you that I took the verbal and then I knew that ye to hona hi nahi wala hai. I shut down the paper. I shut down the machine, walked out, took a walk. Many will tell you I completely tanked LRDI and then hung in there to do something in quant, just to tell myself that I can tank a section and still hang in there. That actually rewired my brain. So it is completely fine to tank a section. It is not fine to throw in the towel after that. And if your verbal is went very badly, then you should not tell yourself, look, ye to gaya. With this performance, I'm not going to crack cat. So let me just not see this mock at all. You should tell yourself, verbal is gone. This is my opportunity to say one section count. I'll still hang in there for the remaining 80 minutes and prove to myself that I can hang in there. And so it is very important to get your brain trained for that. Because what happens very frequently, and I've seen this happen so many times, students feel like they've tanked LRDI, which they have, and then tank quant. It will turn out that LRDI is 93 percentile and quant is 78 percentile. You'll feel miserable at the end of it because your quant is actually pretty good, completely worthy of you getting 95, 96. And because the LRDI seemed like a lost cause in those 2 minutes when you have processed it, that you gave up on quant. That another day, that section that was tough and tricky, that didn't kill you. If you had hung in there, the section that was easy and your suit would have carried you through. But you threw in the towel too early. That happens very frequently. It is very difficult to assess how well you have done in a section. It's also difficult to assess how poorly you have done in a section. There's every chance that you think it's gone, but it's gone to the extent where you get 91 percentile. It's all right. A spectacular third section and you're back in the game. It happens to everybody. And so this whole temperamental test is about hanging in there when things are not going your way. Within a section, within the paper, across sections, both ways. And you can get geared for it only when you practice for it. And you mess up and you turn up. You screw up and you're still standing. And you get more and more confidence about your ability to stay there for a long time and hang in there the more times you do it. And so one section is simply not the end of the world. Your score percentile may reflect an utterly tonked section, but you'll take a lot of heart if your third and second sections have gone really well and the score was low because the first section tonked and you knew it. So you have to give yourself a chance to say, look, ye to gaya. Abhi I'm going to tell myself, show myself that I'll hang in there and deliver. You do that a couple of times, then your grit goes up. People think that grit can't be built. Grit can be built. IQ can be built. Brain is a muscle. Decision making can be improved. Grit can be built. Temperamental strength can be built. I feel guilty saying all this because I'm not really good at building any or all of this, at least a few of these. So I shouldn't be preaching. I'm not going to tell you these are the 4 things to build your grit. I'm not the expert at that. But I know for a fact that it can be built.